What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to create this look you guys. This is the Deepika Padukone Cannes 2019 look. Today's episode I'm going to decode this look for you. I'm also going to share my 2 cents thoughts of how this look was created, and I'm also going to tell you what I would have done differently if I had to do this makeup. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Whenever we are talking about an event that a celebrity has to attend, which is this red carpet sort, there's a major high-level skincare regime that follows it. Now, I'm not talking about the normal scrubbing, polishing and masking, but it involves services like derma infusion, which are really high-end. There are like crazy technology used in that. So we're gonna start up with our prep. Now, I'm using my Kaya Purifying Nourisher. You can definitely use any moisturizer that you want. So guys, we're gonna start step by step. Coming to the brows now. The pomade or the brow definer that's used is brown or dark brown in color because that's just sort of standing out in natural light, and she's kept it quite filled in, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. Now look at the difference in the brows right away. This looks quite defined, this looks a little undefined, so that's the power of defining your brows. Now the one I'm using is by Wet n Wild, and this is dark brown. The brows are also a bit squared at the start. Practically I don't like that because I feel that it doesn't look natural, but I'm gonna do it here because for the sake of what she's wearing. In my opinion, the face is quite strobed. The makeup artist has tried to get the natural glow out. Now that happens when you use a strobe. Now the strobe that I'm using is by MAC, and this is Moonlight, and I'm just gonna use it right all across my face. The strobe is on. Now I would suggest let the strobe sit on your face for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Now primer is optional because I've used a really nice tacky moisturizer, so I'm gonna skip the primer. But if you want to add a primer, if your skin is little on the combination side or on the oily side, I definitely suggest you that skip the strobe and include a primer, a mattifying primer, because you can then play around with liquid highlighters to get the dewy sort of. Now coming on to the base guys, the base I feel is quite semi-matte, and I think the artist must have used Dior or Fenty or NARS or even Charlotte Tilbury. I have a strong feeling that it could be the Hollywood Charlotte Tilbury, but what I'm going to use today is the Fenty Beauty. I'm using Fenty 310 Pro filters. I've taken Fenty Beauty here and I'm adding some Maybelline 330 in it. Mix this. I'm just gonna spread evenly. Don't forget your neck. I'm gonna go with some concealer, and the one that I'm using is by LA Girl. Now in my observation guys, the cheeks are very sheared, contoured, but when it comes to her nose, it's been contoured to the beat, and also this portion, this cupid bow, is also made a little hollow, and that's exactly what we're gonna do now. I'm taking my PAC crayon concealer and I'm just gonna contour my nose now. This sort of looks funny right now, but hold your thought. Now to set my under eye, I'm not going to bougie. I'm using the Revolution Banana Powder. I'm using my PAC 349 brush and set my under eye. I'm gonna take a tiny beauty blender and I'm gonna start blending my nose. I'm going to take some bronzer. I'm going to remove the excess out here. See the movement of the brush. I'm going to start from here and like that come down over here. Now guys, the base is all set. Now coming to the crucial part of it, and that is the eye. I'm just gonna do my other eye and I will be back. So guys, I've done my other eye and I put on my lashes, and this is how it looks. What do you guys think? We're quickly gonna do some blush and lipstick and highlighter of course, and we are almost done. So like I mentioned guys, the blush is there, but it's really soft pinky peachy blush, and I'm gonna take the one that I have by Body Shop, put it right across my cheek. Like you can see, I'm just flicking this up. For my lips, I'm going with Kat Von D. This is Double Dare, and I'm also gonna mix it with another lipstick because I'm gonna make it really soft and pinky nude. Now I'm going to take this blush which also has some shimmer in it. Dust off the excess, and I'm just gonna slightly feather hand, just go like this. Now this also has shimmer, so it's gonna give you a very slight highlight, like you can see. I don't know whether you can see, but it's here. That's exactly what we want. My highlighter, guys, I'm gonna go with the NYX palette, this one, and I'm gonna take this shade out here. So guys, this is the final look. This is how the whole face looks. What do you guys think? I think this looks fantastic, and I think that with the actual outfit that Deepika has, I mean, this is all I had, so I had to wear this, but with the actual outfit that Deepika has, this makeup goes really well. A shout out to Cynthia, because she has done a fantastic job with the makeup. I really loved it, and this is the recreation of it. Now coming back to things what I would have done differently, I would have added a bold lip color, probably a red. Now the reason I say that is black and white are really classic colors. I mean, these are basic colors. Now when I talk about the entire outfit, I think there was a color element which was missing strongly, and maybe I would have balanced it out with a red lipstick. That's my preference, that's my choice. I could have also added a little fun element. Now if you see this inner corner, I would have probably added a pop of color. If I'm keeping my lips nude, I would have kept it with blue, turquoise, just a pop of color. Again, considering the fact that she's wearing black and white, which is entirely basic color. There's an element of color which is missing again. This is my version of the decoded Deepika Padukone 2019 look. If you have liked this, do not forget to recreate it. Also, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. That all is The Makeup by Cynthia. And I'm going to see you guys in my next episode where I'm going to decode another look. Till then,